Obesity has become such a worldwide epidemic that every second person has a mindset in which they have a rising need to lose weight in order to retain a healthy lifestyle with longevity. What really happens is that people often hinder their own progress by following impractical and outdated advice. Here are a few common mistakes/misconceptions about losing fat. Eating too little or eating too many calories. We have the notion that skipping meals will help us to burn calories while at the same time prevent their intake as well. However, skipping meals only increases our appetite further, due to which we tend to binge or overeat and end up eating many more calories as usual. Not exercising or Some of us believe that we can reduce our belly fat by just maintaining a healthy diet or only by following a strict workout regimen. Both of those opinions could not be any more wrong. If we exercise too much and don't eat a proper diet, we lose precious muscle mass, and if we eat too much and exercise too little, that reduces our metabolism, which is not good for the body. Choosing low-fat or dieting foods. Who doesn't love a fulfilling shortcut in life, be it in terms of career, health or even love? It is, however, very critical to understand the fact that there are no shortcuts to a healthy body. Every single movement we make is crucial when it comes to sculpting a perfectly chiseled body. We need to maintain a balanced diet with all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Not consuming enough protein. Protein is the muscle-building ingredient in our food. The more we exercise, more muscles we use, which further increments the deficit of protein in our body. Protein can be easily found in foods such as pulses, meats, dairy, and soybean. Not doing weight training exercises/focusing too much on cardio. It also leads to an improved overall body composition and also boosts belly fat loss. In fact, the best strategy for weight loss seems to be a combination of aerobic exercises and weightlifting. Not using the right equipment for burning fat. Using the right therapeutic equipment is extremely crucial. You may use medical equipment such as tummy trimmer in order to lose weight effortlessly at the comfort of your home/office. Making too many changes in one go. Rome wasn't built in a day. What his statement means is that great things take time to build. Same goes for a healthy and fit body. Start slow, make gradual changes and see your body become a temple as you start worshipping it. One of best way to reduce a fat is use weight loss diets. You can check the link in description.